Hi, I'm Greg Chance with Silverthorne Chevy Buick GMC. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you the new Multi-Pro tailgate on the new 19 GMC Sierra. What we got is we've got one of the first in the market's new power release tailgate. Then we go into the first of the load extenders, which extends the capacity of the bed. Then it lowers and allows you to be able to step into the bed. And it allows you to step into the tailgate and be able to reach what is laying in your bed, much more accessible. Another nice feature built right into it, got a built-in step with a handle that allows you easy access to the bed. Then the top lowers again to give you your second load extender. Again, you can extend your load out, be able to gain more bed space. And then also, this works as a workstation, or say if you're tailgating, or just any general use where you would want the space of the tailgate, and gets it up to height where you're not leaning over. That's your new Multi-Pro tailgate on your 19 GMC Sierra. Come in and check out the new 19 GMC Sierras and the new 19 Chevy Silverados. See me, Greg Chance at Silverthorne Chevy Buick GMC. Let me put my 26 years of vehicle experience to work for you.